Discover the ideal retreat into nature. Discover Mykines. Mykines allows visitors to experience an unspoiled natural habitat, unique to the Faroe Islands. The island of Mykines is a magical place for wildlife. The island is a home to seals, more than 1,000 sheep, and is a protected breeding site for seabirds. With the colorful Puffin and majestic Gannet, two of the main attractions. The adventurous can cross the footbridge to Mykines Hólmur above a 35-meter gorge for a more dramatic view of the area. Group tours to Tindhólmur are also available, with its towering peaks and stunning serenity. Mykines offers excursions aboard the 40-passenger Brynhild and the brand new 70-passenger ferry Jósup. Experience nature like nowhere else in the world. Mykines, a must-see from the sea.